What's going on, guys? Real quick before this video starts, in the description there will be a link to a free Amazon ebook, a free product checklist, and a free workshop which I will be hosting. So all you have to do is click down below, register for the workshop, and you'll be sent the book and the checklist as well. Now let's jump into this video. So what is Amazon FBA? Amazon FBA is just a form of e-commerce where you're selling on Amazon's platform, like you see all the listings if you're going to buy on Amazon. And the FBA part stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Now, if you see any products on Amazon that qualify for Prime or Prime shipping, that doesn't mean Amazon is selling them. That means Amazon is fulfilling them. Hence, FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. So what that process really is like, I have up on the screen right now. Pretty much, as simply put, you are ordering a product from a person in China, or anywhere overseas, but most of the time you're gonna find products in China. So you have your product idea, let's say you've done your research and whatnot, and you have what you wanna purchase. Well, you're gonna go ahead and order your product. So that's you right here. Anything you see on the right side is who is actually performing that action. So we order our product. We then go and send that to our supplier. So we tell them our order. Our supplier will then go and create our product. And after that's done, they're done manufacturing it, they are gonna go ahead and ship the product directly to Amazon. So again, the supplier is handling that shipment. We do not ever have to touch our inventory. And brings me to the next point, we never have to store our own inventory. We're not holding our units. Amazon is now doing that. So Amazon stores our product, and when we get orders, Amazon boxes them up and ships them out to customers for us. We are not touching our product. We can get 10 orders in a day, and if we do nothing, that is fine. Amazon takes care of it all. It's not like you have to go verify orders or anything. It will automatically be shipped to the customer, and if there is any issues, Amazon elects to do customer service for you, or you can choose to do it yourself. But pretty much the only thing you are involved in is the contact with the supplier. So you'll give them your order, you'll tell them where to ship the product, and you'll tell Amazon that you are shipping the product, and it goes through this process, and you really never have to touch anything. It's really hands-off. You never have to touch your product unless you want to order a sample. You never have to ship your product. You don't have to box it up and send it out to customers when they order. You don't have to deal with customer service. Amazon handles all that, and it's just for a very small fee per unit, which we'll break down later in the video. But Amazon is generally simple. You're selling on Amazon. All your inventory Amazon is holding. When you get an order after you've created your listing, Amazon ships it out. That is it. It's very simple, the process, and it makes it very easy on you. It's very passive. So now that you know how Amazon FBA works and runs, I want to show you how you can go out there and find products to sell. And let's say we're going to go over to Alibaba, which is where we source our products from. Now, let's say I want to sell in one of these categories. Now, I'll click in here, I'll choose one of these categories, and let's see what they have here. Got vehicles, fashion, electronics, home appliances, sports. Let's go with health and beauty, and we'll go with beauty and personal care. Now, I can click in here, I can shop by category, I can look up different things. Usually the top selling categories are over here. Let's say I know what I want. Let's say I did all the research that I kind of outlined before for you guys. Let's say you follow the course exactly and you want to start eyelash extensions. So let's look up eyelash extensions right in here. And let's say you can sell these for $25 a box on Amazon. And right here, each tray, the minimum order right here is 300 trays. Now, these products sell about $20 to $25 on Amazon. Some a little bit higher, it depends on the branding, but you can see right here we have 17,000 different products that come up through this website of different types of products. See, if we click in here, they will be a little bit different each, and we can see more about the products. You have different lengths, and you can see a lot of information about the actual product and the company as well, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But let's go back, and I just want to show you the different kinds of eyelash extensions you can have. So this one says private label, which just means that's pretty much exactly what we're doing. Private labeling is putting your own brand on a product. So let's say we want to go with this one. It's 65 cents to $4 a pair. So if we get a pair here, we can see all the different options they have, all the different variations. We can see their different packaging. So if we want to do our own custom packaging, we could do that. They could put our logo, our label on it. Now, it's very, very simple to find products like this where you can go out there and sell them for, like I said, $1 to $2.50 a pair when they're selling for $20, $25 each a box. So it's very, very easy to find these type of products, and it works in different types of niches. So I'm going to use one of the products I know that is selling over $1 million a month, and that is going to be a camping hammock. So these are camping hammocks. Now they all look very, very similar, and I'm just going to choose this one right here just because it's right in front of me. So we're choosing this product right here. You can see it's a double camping hammock. It's lightweight, portable nylon and whatnot. Now, it is $4.80 to $6.50 a piece. So each unit can either cost in between $4.80 and $6.50. Now, depending how much you order and how you negotiate, this can change. This is their kind of like top end price. You're not going to be charged more than this, but you can definitely get lower. There's definitely negotiation tactics to go through, which we talk about in the course. But other than that, you go down and normally they will have a minimum order quantity right next to it. And this one, it says 1 piece. So you only have to order 1 unit. Some, the minimum order will be 100 units or 300 units. So over here, you can see their minimum orders right here. You need to order 500 units if you want to order from this guy, and it's the same price. So that is very low. It's nice to see 1 piece. We would just want to make sure this item is customizable. So we see the price, we see the minimum order, and we also want to make sure that we can put our own logo on this. We want to be able to customize our product so it is ours, like I was saying before, private labeling. So under here, let's see if they say if we can customize our own stuff. MOQ. So they do accept OEM customized colors or logos. So we can put our logo on this. And usually the hammock folds up into here and the logo will just go right on there. And we can see their shipping. They do take PayPal, which is good. Their delivery time, 2 to 3 working days after order, which is very quick. So that's pretty much all the information on their listing we can see here. A little more on the pictures, just how the hammock is. This one comes with tree straps, it looks like, which could be a good bonus for your picture and your listing on Amazon. So it does come with these straps here. So it comes with the tree straps and the carabiners. So that can be a bonus if you want to add it on your listing, kind of differentiate yourself. Now, what we do if we want to go order this product is we'd scroll down, and all we'd have to do is go enter a message in here and contact the supplier saying a couple of things, just how many units you want, and you want your logo on them, and asking the price, and then negotiating, going through. I do have contact templates for this. Again, like I said, that's in the course. But let's go over to Amazon and search camping hammocks and see what they're selling for and what they look like. So over here is one of the top listings. They are selling for $35.95. Now remember, we could source the other one for, let's just say, $5 to $7 with shipping and everything, price out the door. $7. So $7, they're probably have about $6 or $7 on Amazon fees. So they're profiting about $20 each time they get a sale. So if they sell just 5 of these a day, they're going to make $3,000 profit a month. Now, they're obviously selling way, way more, and we can tell that by looking down here at their sales rank. They are number 2 in sports and outdoors under hammocks, and they're 1,000th best seller in sports and outdoors in general. So they're selling over 100 units a day, no doubt. So, like I said, 100 units a day, that's $20,000 profit a month if they are profiting $20 a unit. They are getting over $1 million in sales per year, that means. I'm sorry, per month. $1 million in sales per month. And over half of that is profit, like I was saying before, about $650,000, $700,000, around there. Now, this is a very high quality listing. You can see all the variations they have. You can see how well their images are done, how you can see every single little thing you get. You can see you get the tree straps, the carabiners, the bag here, and one of the little tricks they use, which is more advanced, but you can see in the picture's actually kind of pointing to the headline, which is a little sales trick, but they go through, they show the features and all the benefits in 1, their pictures, 2, their bullet points as well. They say it's lightweight and compact, won't empty your wallet, relax immediately. So 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Great little things in here to show the features and benefits of the product in the bullet points. And they also do that in their pictures, as well as have real people in their pictures, which does help sell the listing. And they have a video, which I'm not going to watch, but this is an overall great listing. And like I said before, it's doing over $1 million in sales, over $500,000 in profit per month. So it's absolutely insane how you can go to a sourcing website, find a certain product, and see how much it's actually selling on Amazon because of how big Amazon is. When this person probably started, I bet you guys have never heard of Wise Owl Outfitters. Well, they probably were someone just like you or me, where they started one product. Now, this is one product. Imagine if they had 5 products, 10 products, and so on. There's no cap on that. And they could just keep expanding and expanding in this niche, in different niches, whatever. So once we do all of that, we're going to go back to the start of the video and we're going to go through the entire process of fulfillment by Amazon. So the first thing is you send your products to Amazon. So you order them from your supplier sends them directly to Amazon. You never have to touch them. Now, once they arrive at Amazon, Amazon stores your products for you, so you don't ever have to deal with holding inventory, moving it around, etc. Then, once you create your listing on Amazon and let's say a customer purchases a product from you, what happens? Well, you don't have to do anything. You don't even have to confirm an order. All you have to do is nothing. Amazon will go pick the product out of their inventory, put it in a box, and the next thing, Amazon will ship the products out to the customers. And guess what? That's the entire process. It happens in about an hour, sometimes less. It's very quick with Amazon, and then you get paid. So this entire process, very seamless, very easy, makes it way, way easier on sellers. And the best part, Amazon takes care of customer service as well. So any shipping issues, any packaging issues, it falls on Amazon. So do not worry about having to take care of customer service as well. So this entire process is broken down. It's very simple and it's very easy to take advantage of. Just not many people are taking advantage of it because it seems intimidating, but it's really not. It's so simple and seamless, and Amazon takes a ton of the responsibility for you. So it makes it very easy on sellers to kind of fulfill their products without ever having to touch a product, store a product, package up a product, and ship it out. That is all done by Amazon for a tiny, tiny fee. So that's all for what Amazon FBA is. Now, before you guys go, I have a little gift for you guys. There's a free checklist, a free book, and a free workshop. I'll leave a link to the description. All you have to do is go to this page, click register for the workshop. You choose your time, choose your date, so I can watch the replay. I can go and choose one of these sessions, put your email in, click register, and you'll be sent the free book, the checklist, and you'll be registered for the workshop. So this is just going to teach you how you can start your own Amazon business step by step and go over everything you need. So that'll be in the description, and I hope to see you guys on the workshop.